If you're interested in jewellery design, learning jewellery design, you can use Blender 2.9 and our parametric smart objects, and you don't need to buy any equipment or software, and you can make your own personalised jewellery by studying online at Udemy. Here are some examples of bracelets that we've created. Here are some examples of personalised charms that we've created using our parametric smart objects. Some earrings, some further examples of earrings. These are just printed in plastic. Here are some examples of rings that have been created, and some Voronoi jewellery, bracelets, earrings, pendants, etc. You can use the same skills to create caricatures and name artwork, and we've also created some Voronoi artwork as well. So the skills are transferable, so you can study our jewellery design course using Blender 2.9 parametric smart objects on Udemy. Thank you for watching.